Oh my God, seriously? Yes, seriously, shit. I lost my camera, and the other one's going haywire. Ah! Oh, do I go back and look for it? I have no idea where that came off. I did remember feeling something really weird, like I ran over a couple of rocks. I wonder when that camera must have got shooed off by the wheel. Oh my God. I just can't. Well, let's just enjoy the view for a moment. That's neat. This tree here, it's got all the little pine cones at the very end. Looks like they haven't developed yet, but wow, that's going to have a million different pine cones on it. Huh. Well, I'm inclined to just keep going. I don't want to go back and look for the camera, especially when I don't know where it came off. I mean, it's been, I don't know, 5 or 6 miles. I should take the arm off, though, just to make sure it doesn't get caught in the wheel or something crazy. Yeah, I know, there's a couple guys out there that they enjoy me destroying all my equipment and my cameras and everything. It's kind of funny. This has happened before on this mount. I think there's just too much force down here. It takes such a pounding that these mounts just cannot stay tight. No matter how much you make them, no matter how much you tighten them down, it's still going to slip. There's just too much shock here. What happened to this guy? Maybe I never tightened it enough. I think he got hit by the bushes. Well, another camera down. What am I going to do? I guess on the way back I'll look for it. Not going to hold my breath that I'm ever going to find it, but what the hey? You do notice I have a new strap across the top, just in case I forget to latch it or the zipper breaks again. All right, I guess let's go. Where is it? I seem to have lost the drone. And I can't read anything on here. Nice. So I think I was going too fast and through the trees. The tracker lost track of the drone, but luckily the drone paused and was just hovering. But I didn't realize that until way down the road. I spun around, came back as fast as I could. It looked like it reconnected, so I knew it was close. Ripped off my helmet, ripped off my earplugs, trying to listen for it, and it's that way. Oh my God, probably a quarter mile. I could just see it through the trees. So I took off running through this field. And of course, it's beeping at me telling the battery's about to die and it's going to do a forced landing. So I got close as I could so I can kind of see it. Tried to bring it as close to me as possible. Tried to get it over an area that was just weeds with no trees. And I actually made it. I hit the land button before the batteries died. It looked like it was coming down a nice clean patch of weeds. Well, not so much. Of course, those weeds were really tall and it was nothing but felled trees everywhere. So it landed right in a bunch of tree trunks. It sounded like it completely destroyed itself, like the propellers were just like a chainsaw. But nothing happened to it. All the blades are okay. They might be a little nicked here and there, but we're good to go. Oh my God. That was close. Whew. Nothing like sprinting across an undulating field in full gear. Wow. But I got it back. Can't wait to see the footage. Just the fun you're gonna have if you have a drone, trust me. If there's nobody flying it and nobody controlling it, things are gonna happen. All right, I'll get packed up. I gotta get back. I think it's kind of late. Hey, it's 1:20. Yeah, let's go. I gotta get going. As much fun as it is to watch these videos, why don't you get on out there and make your own adventures? The memories you make will last you a lifetime.